Meghalaya Post.news.
Kasamla Megha Shri Roy, Kabawan Hakakrudan Baningkong Lani Kum Kata Katapa Haka HSSLC Result Arajar Arpun Rio Ka Embos Haka Art Stream Kalapan Pau Bakadaw Bakla Poish Kani Jingjop Kadai Bakla Penutpor Bangam Julio Haka Jingpulikon Bad Omtang Dagaba Shupuli Lendet Yakikon Habalapan Banam Takasingi Yak Result Jonka HSSLC Haka Art Stream Daka Embos Kasamla Megha Shri Roy Naga St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong Kalawan Hakakrudan Baningkong E Dakaba Kalakur Hadu Saus Pak San Punyumang Bat Kalayo Letter marks ya baru ki subject bakantup ya ka subject English, Economics, Home Science, Education, Political Science bat ka alternative English. Haba jubab skinong to khubor halor kani ka jingjok chongkang kabla longkum ka burom ya ka yeng ka sam bat ya ka school baka mikman ka samla roy ka laya thu baka kwa ban batang ya ka jingpuli ha Delhi University da ka budget ya ka subject Political Science. Kalaya thu ru baka don ru ka thong ban ya khun ya ka UPSC exam bakang nut bandong ki civil servant. Nalor kata bakali halor jingpun kre ya ka exam kalaya thu balatang arkan tasis ngi ka krekon bat ka penaj jingmut bahapan hagi jingpuli bat om ban shupuli London ya kikon kalau ongru ka persang ru banwan benya ru ya ki jing krekon da ka bale e ka mock test bat penon kamru e ka chat GPT tang bakale ha kata ka rukom bakan yo jingmut toy bat ka khampai kerpang ya ka jinga jingmut kino hikai namar lada ka don kanugunu ka bakam sung thu ka pam jingarap na kinong hikai.
It was very unexpected, so yes, I'm in shock still now, but I'm happy about it. I was mainly focused on active studying, that is, rehearsing after I studied. Suppose I studied a chapter, then I would actually give a mock test, and that would actually help me understand how much I've learned the subject, and it is very helpful in scoring good marks. I'm preparing for CUET currently, and I hope to get admission into Delhi University, and I want to pursue BA in Political Science. I aim to crack UPSC and become a civil servant. I knew that I would get a position because I really prepared hard and I studied hard, but I never expected first position. But I feel like it's possible for everyone to actually score good marks by just focusing on what you're studying, not just reading the text without understanding the context of it. You should actually go in depth of the chapters and understand the meaning of it, because just by harding everything will not give you a good rank or good result. You need to understand, and plus you need to also really ask the teachers, because the teachers are our best guiders, and you should actually put a step forward and ask the teachers if you have any doubts or queries, instead of just sitting by yourself and figuring out by yourself. Instead of that, you should actually approach the teachers and ask questions related to your studies. That's how I actually got a good score, because I would always approach the teachers if I had any doubt. Plus, you should also use resources, since our textbooks are most of the textbooks are converted into NCERT. You should actually refer to the previous year CBSE questions, and that is also very helpful every day, because I need to assess the online resources, the question papers, and other things as well, such as if I had any doubt, if I want to increase my vocabulary and I want to form a better word, then I obviously use ChatGPT. It's all okay to use AI. It's just you need to use it in a mindful manner instead of just using it for stupid reasons.
Meghalaya Post.news.